Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Channel DevNode. आज हम we are doing a question on array. So this is a question belongs to our array playlist. The question is find missing number, LeetCode 289, and it's easy. And actually, my question is easy. We just need some observation on that. So what the question is saying: given an array nums containing n distinct number, remember n distinct number 0 to n, and return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So basically they are giving an array where one number is missing from the range 0 to n. Let's see the given example. So here what says that 3 0 1. So the size of array is 3. So what number should present? 0 0 to 3. The number should be present is 0 1 2 or 3. But if you see here, 3 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is missing, so our output is 2. So let's check another example. So this is our array 0 4. So here size of our array is 5. So in the range of 0 to 5, what the number it should have? 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So these are the numbers that it should have. Now cross check it. 0, it has 0, the number has 0. 1, it has 1. 2 is not there. Okay, so we are not removing 2 is not there. Now check 3 is there. 4 is there. 5 is there. So we know 2 is our output. The 2 is missing from this list. So let's see how we code this solution. So this is our 0 4 1 3 5. Now if we directly see, first we need to check for 0 is present in the array. It is present. For 1 we need to search the array. For each number we need to search the array. But do you observe we have all the numbers in 0 to n, 0 1 3 5, except one missing number. So it's in continuous order. So what if we sort this array like 0 1 3 4 5? Now after this is our array looks like after sorting. So after sorting, now we need to compare it with 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we take I equal to 0. This is our for loop index. The I equal to 0 should be equal to, this is our nums of 0 equal to 0. That I at index I equal to 1, nums of 1 equal to 1. I equal to 2, nums of 2 equal to 2. Till I equal to 5, nums of 5 equal to 5. So this is our expectation. So at index I, so we can write it in a generic form like nums of I equal to I. So at any point, if nums of I is not equal to I, that means 0 1 2 3 4. So it match. So this here our I is not matching with the value present at that index. That means I is our answer. So we will return I. Okay, now as we now there is a one more edge case. Suppose array is something like this: 0 1 2 3 and 4. Now we will start from array to 0 to 4. We need to find it 0 to 5, but we know in the array only 0 to 5 comes 6 numbers, but here only 5 is there. So we will iterate the array till terms dot size minus 1. Now 0 is equal to 0 at nums of 0 equal to 0, nums of 1 equals to 1, same goes to nums of 2, nums of 3, nums of 4. Now our loop has ended and still we does not got the answer. What does that mean? That means the last digit, the nums of size itself the missing. So we will return nums dot size where our loop got ended. Now let's code. Now let's how we write the code. So first we will start our code. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, which is nums dot size, and I plus plus. Now what we discussed, if nums of I is not equal to I, if is not equal to I, means I is our answer. And if our loop got ended, if our loop finished and we still did not get the answer, then in that case our nums dot size is answer. So in that case nums size is 5, so we will iterate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we exhaust our loop. Then nums dot size itself is our answer. That means the last element is missing in 0 to 5. Now let's discuss the time complexity of this solution. So we know sorting, if we use merge sort, the optimized, we will got n log n. Then we will iterate the array, which is on. Now our overall time complexity will be n log n. This is our time complexity. So this is the basic approach that comes in our mind. Now let's discuss another approach, which is the optimal approach for this solution. Now again let's come back to our example, our this array. So let me copy this. Now we know what are the number we are expecting. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the number that it should have, and these are the number it has. So we know we have one extra number here from this, apart from the number that it contains. So what if we sum all of them? If we take the sum of this, and if we take the sum of this as well, if we take the sum of this, what we'll get? 0 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, which comes at 4 plus 1 5, 5 3 8, 8 or 5 13. So 13 is our sum. And what is the expected sum? And what is the sum of these numbers, that all numbers we are expecting? 2 1 3, 3 3 6, 6 4 14, 14 1 15. So you observe something. 2 was our answer because 2 is missing. So 15 minus 13 is also 2. Right? Because this 15, remember, this 15 contains one extra number. This contains one extra number. So if we subtract this from this, then we will get that extra number. We will get that extra number. Got it? Now what is our requirement? We need sum of this array, the given array, that we will simply do nums of int I equal to 0 to I less than n and I plus plus, and our sum plus equal to nums of I. So we will get this sum. Now for this 0 to, what are the numbers? 0 to n. Now remember, in school we learn sum of n number is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can directly put this. Now what is our n is here? 5, because we have 1 2 3 4 5. We can include 0 or exclude 0, doesn't matter. Now we have 5 numbers, so 5, we put a 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 5, into 6 divided by 2, 2 3 is 5 equal to 15. So we will get 15, and from here sum we will get 13. Now what we will return? We will return expected sum minus the actual sum, which is 15 minus 13 equal to 2. So this is our answer. Now here, what is our time complexity? So for this operation our time complexity of 1, because we are just calculating one equation, so it took of 1, and this contain of n. So our overall time complexity is of n plus of 1, which is of n time complexity. So this is the best approach for this solution. What was our observation? Because these contain a, b, c, d, e. So these are the number. Now let's examine. It contain a, b, c, d, e, f. This one is extra. So if we subtract this from this, then what we will get? These will get subtracted as it is. At the end we will get the extra number. So at the end we will get the extra number, that will be our missing number. See, this is easy question, but we just need some observation. Now let's go to our LeetCode and we will write the question, we will write the solution. Hi guys, so let's write our code. So what we discuss, first we need the sum of array. So I create one actual, this is our actual sum. Now I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, and I plus plus. Now what our actual sum plus equals to nums of I. So now we need expected sum. So expected sum, and what is the formula we discussed? N into n plus 1 by 2. Now what is our n? N is equal to n is our nums dot size. Now what we will return? Expected sum minus actual sum. Now let's run it. We get some error. Now what is the error? N. Oh, we don't have we defined n. N into, okay, sorry, we missed this multiplication. So yeah, so our example test cases are passed. Now let's submit. So yes, our code has been accepted successfully, and the time complexity of this code is of n. So that's it. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Then we will meet in the next video. Thank you.